Place looks deserted.
My internal coordinate system indicates a right turn up ahead.
My gut says this way, Clank.
Glad you're getting in touch with your feelings, newbie. But we're turning right.
Because
I'm your senior ranger and I say so. That's why.
Okay. Eesh, cranky.
What's that?
Huh? Oh, I said thank ye for those words of wisdom.
Good save. This feels too easy. Why was there no alarm?
It is strange. Everyone, stay sharp.
Initiate phase 1. Let's scatter the cockroaches. Just push the button, Zed. Anyone hear that?